Makhana, also known as foxnut or pup lotus seed, is a popular Indian superfood snack. To prepare masala makhana, heat ghee in a pan and add makhanas. Roast the makhanas until they are perfectly crunchy. To ensure your makhana is perfectly crunchy and not chewy, try the snap test. Take one roasted makhana and press it firmly between your thumb and index finger. It should produce a loud crunching sound and easily crumble into small dry pieces. Set the roasted makhana aside. In the same pan, add a tablespoon of cold press oil and masala mix. Then stir in your masala mix until it's well combined and fragrant. Turn off the heat to prevent burning. Then return the makhana to the pan and toss to ensure the spices are evenly distributed. Continue mixing until every makhana is thoroughly and evenly coated with the masala. Masala makhana are ready.